Napansin ko lang mga kapatid, when I was thinking about this, anumang season, anumang state of life that you are in, nasa taas ka man ng bundok o nasa baba ka ng bundok, successful ka man o hindi, babae ka man o lalaki, lahat tayo mga kapatid, ang buhay natin will never run out of reasons to be afraid. Laging may ibibigay ang buhay sa'yo na rason para matakot, kahit mayaman ka o mahirap ka. Kahit ano ang sitwasyon ng buhay mo, hindi pwedeng mawalan ng rason ang takot na mamalagi sa ating puso. Maraming tao ngayon takot ma-reject. Yung iba sa inyo takot mapahiya. Yung iba sa inyo takot of failure. Yung iba sa inyo ay takot of your future. Yung iba is afraid of the financial trouble that they are in. They are afraid na mawalan sila ng mahal sa buhay. Yung iba sa inyo takot na tumanda. Yung iba sa atin takot maging single forever. Yung iba sa atin takot pumasok sa relationship. Whatever season that you are in, fear has the potential to be developed. Ano man ang season? Pag may sakit ang isang tao, takot siyang mamatay. Kaya ka nga nagpapa-hospital. Pag walang sakit ang tao, takot siya magkasakit. Whatever state of life, whatever season that you are in, pag wala kang pera, takot kang magkulang. Pag may pera ka, takot kang manakawan. No matter how much you own and how much you have, there's always reason for you to be afraid. Akala kasi natin, pagka nagkaroon lang tayo ng pera, mawawala na yung takot natin. Kasi marami tayong misconceptions. Inaakala kasi ng marami na porke mayaman ka, makakatulog ka na ng maayos. Nothing could be further from the truth. Whatever circumstances in our life, fear has the potential to be developed. Pag single, takot na hindi na makapag-asawa forever. Pag naman may relationship, takot na maloko ng kapartner. Come on. Pag nasa airport, takot maiwanan ng eroplano. Pag nasa eroplano na takot, baka bumagsak yung eroplano. Pag walang sasakyan, takot mabangga ng sasakyan. Pag may sasakyan, takot makabangga ng ibang sasakyan. Whatever circumstances in our life, mga kapatid, fear has the potential to be developed. This world is a scary place sometimes. But I'm here to tell you, sabihin nyo ng mukha kong sirampla ka, but I'm here to tell you over and over again, do not let your hearts be troubled. Don't be afraid. Probably the most important words that you need to hear today is that phrase, don't be afraid. That's why I want you to remember Psalms 27, especially verse 1. Dahil ang sabi ni David sa Psalms 27 verse 1, the Lord is my light and salvation. And I love this part. Since He's my light, since He's my salvation, whom shall I fear? In other words, hindi siya natatakot kasi kinumpare niya yung kinakatakutan niya sa Diyos niya at parang lumalabas yung kinakatakutan niya no match sa Diyos niya. So ang susi pala para mawala ang fear sa ating puso is knowing who God is. Kung kilala mo kung sino ang ating Panginoon, alam mo ang track record ng ating Panginoon. Nakapag-develop na ng pattern ang Diyos throughout the years. Para masabi natin, Lord, I'm not afraid because I know who you are. The key is knowing who God is. Dahil may ginawa na siya sa'yo. Nag-aalala ka bukas, nag-aalala ka sa struggle mo ngayon, pero hindi mo ba naisip yung mga struggle sa pinagdaanan mo before na tinulungan ka ng ating Panginoon Diyos? God remained faithful to us? That God proved Himself to be powerful and sovereign in our life? He has a great track record in your life. May pattern siyang sinet before at sinusundan mo lang yung pattern na yung para manampalataya na kahit hindi ko alam ang future, alam ko na yung track record ng Diyos in the past is enough for me to have faith para yung future ko ay maging secure. Pattern. You're not afraid of your future because you're looking at the pattern of the past. Alam niyo ba mga kapatid that sometimes you can predict the future based on that patterns? Right? For example, I want you to answer the question. Pag tinanong ko kayo ha, huwag agad sasagot. Pag tinanong ko kayo, sasagot tayo sabay-sabay kung ano yung sagot. Okay? Magbibigay ako ng number and you will predict kung ano yung susunod. Okay? 5, 10, 15, 2, 4, 6, see that? Pwede namang 80,000 yung susunod. Pwedeng 1,365. Pero paano nyo nalaman na 8? Paano nyo nalaman na 20? Pattern. Because of the pattern of 2, 4, 6, you know, may dala-dalawa siyang pagitan. Alam mo, yung susunod 8. And if you know who your God is, at alam mo yung pattern na ginawa sa iyo ng Panginoon, pinagaling ako ng Panginoon, nag-sustain ng Panginoon, nag-provide ang Panginoon, hindi niya ako iniwanan. Therefore, alam ko na sa susunod, hindi ako iiwanan ng Panginoon because of this pattern. May pattern. You know who your God is. You don't have fear because you have faith. Because fear and faith cannot operate at the same time. You cannot trust God and be afraid at the same time. You cannot do that. Can't do that.